So basically all I'm doing, and I've showed this before previously in other videos, I think it was called Best Notes and Position for Playing Reggae Lead Guitar. So you're basically using basically it's a major pentatonic, all it is. But instead of going, the sweeter way for me is just to take the minor pentatonic shape and just go and use that. So you can run up and down inside that little box. Alright, so that's something that you can do to make your playing a little bit more spicy. Also, a little bit of a blues with that. So let me show you that now. So I'm just adding the blue notes. So basically I'm using what they call is the Chicago blues scale. It's a derivative of the blues scale, but I just leave out the fifth. Basically it sounds like this. Alright, so that's all it is. And that's what they call the Chicago blues scale. And you can use it in reggae to sound a little bit different. So try that out and see how you get on. The other scale I'm going to use now is the minor pentatonic, but instead of using it where B is, and I mean you can use it at B, it's still fine. I'll show you now. Those of you who are paying attention, you'll know that what I just did there was still using the minor pentatonic scale, and it becomes a major pentatonic in the key of E. But what the blues scale that I want to look at here is the minor pentatonic. So in this case, that's what it sounds like. Turn D into a minor and play the minor pentatonic scale over it. So let's see how that sounds in the key. If you can't play it there, you can play it down here. Right there, so you can play it right there and it still works. So let's do that now and see. It's gonna give a different kind of sound to the major sound. You're gonna get a dissonance, but it's quite sweet. So it's a contrast. You're playing a minor scale over a major chord, and that's typically what blues is. So this is blues reggae. want you to practice that. It's just the minor pentatonic scale, D minor pentatonic, also works over a major chord in the key of D. All right, so try that out. Hope you enjoy that. Do come again. All righty.